Welcome back to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Ngabe umdlali, umqeqeshi, noma umphathi weqembu. Siyeza kuwena to talk all things development football. Today I'm joined by Thato. Thato, please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Naka Libiso ke Thato Rakeketse, 19 years old, Lesotho under 20 player, Black Poison player.
Thato njobe seshilo babukeli. Thato is 19 years old, under 20, Lesotho international player. He also plays for Black Poison, where we are at NX Center. They just finished the training yabo today. Thato, awungitshele journey yakho as a player iqale kuphi wena?
I journey yami iqale from Sahlale Free State, but then that time izinto that side they were not so good. That's why I decided to ukuthi ngize ngapha eGauteng. Then I started go primary. Then I saw the post go Panorama. Also dabona post for Prestige the tribe. Then I attempted for it to join the tribe team. Then I was lucky that side. Kilagathola Spani yapusha the time we were playing is Then we finally nagakona to promotion to A, which is our nearly dream kaufela. We never achieve as a team, and we managed to do so. Yeah.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli. Uthatha useshilo ijourney yakhe iqale kude le Free State ngoba izinto zihamba kancane eFree State. He moved to eGauteng eSoweto ePhimville la kuthandwa khona ibhola, la kudlalwa khona ibhola. Naye uThatho waze wafika la efike khona today. He's playing for national team yeLesotho under 20. He's playing for Black Poison. Thato, awusitshele, what advice can you give abantwana basemakhaya who watch you as a player, who are following you as a player? Yini ngaba-advise yona abantwana basemakhaya?
Nanso nka ba jotsa yona gore as go le motho ska na ka gore mang ore as go le motho o tloli one mo lifeng, so remove tlang we achieve o tlo achieve only one, but then re le batho ba o surroundileng they will always be there ba push some but tlo jotsa the negative thoughts, but then when as motho you have to pick up yourself, push hard. And also motivation is from control. You know, for if over la dining room or kitchen, that's also a motivation. You don't need someone for to fish a when I wait or then do it as so savings, If you bat and do it as so savings at la catla.
Useshilo ukuthatha mawufuna ukulandelwa umntwana osekhaya, umdlali webhola ona 11 years noma ona 12 years osemakhaya ofuna ukutshelwa ukuthi hambe ejimini, ofuna ukutshelwa ukuthi kumele aziphathe kanjani njengomdlali, angeke ube yilutho mawukuthi usafuna ukulandelwa ngemuva. Thato, eLesotho neSouth Africa, there are two different countries. Awusitshele injani development yangale kulela side laseLesotho?
Kakwa like only like infrastructures for but then they are trying to pick up, but then this side everything is top notch.
Njobe seshilo ke babukeli, development yase South Africa is doing wonders compared to other countries. Thato, kukusize kanjani ke wena playing for Prestige, playing for the team that you've played for? Ku-GDL udlalile, you dominated ku-GDL. I know you played the right back sometimes you played as a striker. Awusitshele kukusize kanjani wena ukudlala la eGauteng njoba sekuthathiwe waze waselectwa kuLesotho?
Nanso ke tla rata ile boela holo ke Prestige in created a platform holo, and also le dai app e ba bitsang ka Super Sports Schools app also ke yone ba petseng e huge role mo kereng yaka for ke be me ke leng teng right now.
Sibonge kakhulu iPrestige. Babukeli, iPrestige is one of the big academies eGauteng. Thato, awusitsheleke uma ucabanga eSouth Africa ngoba ula eSouth Africa, I know you are Lesotho international, but njengoba ula eSouth Africa, awusitshele mawubuka development, are we doing it justice to the kids eMakasi?
Kakhulu. Each and every child or like us, like our teams, they are pushing hard for ukuthi nabantwana bakhona they can grow ukuthi bamicha ama standards wabo as ama player. So
as under 20 international player, Thato, awusitshele abadlali who you say you played against bala eSouth Africa, they are quality players, because I know abanye babo you played with them ku-GDL, abanye babo you played with them kuma tournament asekhasi.
Yebo ama player like Abu Takalani Mazamba, goalkeeper ya Kaizer Chiefs
under 20, yes.
Chile. Baning Abu Grand Kikana Homlemo Kikana Tato Sibia from baning is
uThato udlale kakhulu ke nabo bonke abadlali njengoba sibona i-under 20 yethu iwinile izolo against i-USA qualified to i-last 16 year World Cup. Abadlali labo uThato lo esiminaye lababukeli bethu akuyibona adlale nabo. Thato before sengizokudedela nje ukuba la kwi-Black Poison kusho ukuthini kuwena? I know i-Black Poison is owned by one of the respected coaches ucoach Rulani. So leyo pressure nje ukuthi siphethwe ucoach Rulani kusho ukuthini kuwena njengomdlali?
Nah, I'm always grateful for the motivating thing right now. Each and every opportunity ke tholang ke batla grab ka matswali too. Even though standards dig high, you have to push yourself for no meet the requirements of the team. As Njoko have said, for a standards that team is very high. Ke batla confidence, technical you should be good. Like each and everything you demand hard work.
Babukele Bakaya, playing for a team like Black Poison, it demands a lot. The team is owned by Coach Rulani Mukwena. I know Coach Rulani loves beautiful football. So Nina as abadlali, what does he say to you if he's around, whenever he's around?
Uhlezi asimotivator kakhulu. Into ayisho motivation kakhulu ukuthi if you have a dream about it izenza kahle.
Babukeli, Let's Talk Development Football, we are reaching out to every player, to every coach, and to every club owner to talk all things development football. Thato siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi usinike ithuba ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje. Yes. Babukeli emakhaya Let's Talk Development Football. Don't forget to like our page ku TikTok, subscribe ku YouTube, and follow us on every social media platform. Let's Talk Development Football. Asiyeni.